Make sure the girls are in place. One's peeking through. All right, I think we're good. I think we're safe. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to share with you guys a PR package that I got not too long ago. It's from L'Oreal. And this is their Paradise Enchanted collection. There's lipsticks, mascaras, eyeliners, an eyeshadow palette, and some blushes in here. Some of them are scented, which I haven't even smelled yet, but I'm really, really excited to with you guys. Well, obviously you guys can't smell it, but I'm gonna smell it for you and I will let you know how it is, girl. But yeah, there's a bunch of new goodies in here that I wanted to share with you guys. So if you wanna see what's in this box, then just keep watching. All right, let's try to do this gracefully. Oh, okay, yeah, see, I knew that was gonna work for me. Let me get my life together here for a second. We're good? Okay, golden. All right, so this is what was in the package. There are 16 of their new Color Riche Ultra Matte lipsticks. I'm wearing one of them today and it's freaking amazing, you guys. So good. And then we have some mascaras here, liquid liners, an eyeshadow palette that is scented, and then some scented blushes. So I'm really excited to smell these. I haven't smelled them yet. I haven't even opened these yet, but I am really excited to try them out. All right, so let's start off with the lipsticks. I feel like that's where we want to be right now. Like I said, I am wearing one of the lipsticks today. I'm wearing Ultra Nude. Right, so these lipsticks run for $9.99 each. Here's what the packaging looks like. And then when you open them up, that is what the lipstick looks like. This is the shade that I'm wearing today. This is Ultra Nude. It's a really, really gorgeous, warm-toned nude shade. I'm really impressed with the formula of these for drugstore. It's super duper pigmented and it's not drying at all. Like, it feels very like velvety and comfortable on the lips. So I love these. Let me go ahead and show you guys the rest of the shades. So we have Ultra Nude, Lilac Impulse, Daring Blush, and Radical Rosewood. Super pretty shades. We have Bold Mauve, Passionate Pink, which I have tried and I'm obsessed with. I'll give you guys a swatch of this in a sec. And then we have Power Petal and Utmost Taupe. Those are really gorgeous. I love that nude shade right there too. And this one right here would be great for like fall and winter. It's a crappy swatch, but anyway, there's a swatch of that. This is Passionate Pink. So gorgeous. It's one of my favorite shades. Okay, so here we have All Out Pout, Risque Roses, Rebel Rouge, and Cutting Edge Cork. Love these shades too. Okay, and then last but not least, we have Full Blown Fawn, Defiant Orchid, Berry Extreme, and Sienna Supreme. This one right here I love. I think it's a great fall shade. And this one right here is just like a great fall, winter vampy shade. So yeah, that is the last of the Color Riche Ultra Matte lipsticks. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. But yeah, I think they're really, really pretty shades in here. Okay, so next they have the Voluminous Lash Paradise Primer and then the Lash Paradise Mascara. Here are what those look like in the packaging. So these ones both run for $9.99 each and they are sold separately. Let me show you guys what they look like. So this right here is the primer. It's like one of those white mascara primers. That's what that brush looks like. And then you can see right there what the primer is going to look like. It is white in color, so you just coat your lashes with this and then put the mascara on over it. And it's supposed to be really, really great at helping make your lashes super voluminous. And then here's the brush for the mascara. It's pretty much the exact same brush as the primer, so that's really convenient. But that's what that looks like there. So these ones I'm excited to try. Lash primers for me are hit or miss. So I'm excited to see how this one works out. I'll let you guys know. Okay, next we have some liquid eyeliners and one of them is rose gold and the other one is a black liquid eyeliner. These ones run for $9.99 each. Here's what the packaging looks like. Really cute rose gold. This is the rose gold eyeliner. Ooh, pretty. Really pigmented too. Really, really pretty rose gold shade. And then here's the black liquid liner. Ooh, that's pigmented too. Ooh, girl. Okay, I see you, L'Oreal. That's really, really pretty. Ooh, the sun's going down. I had to turn on some lights in here. Okay, so I feel like it went down super fast too, which is really weird. So anyway, these look super pigmented. I'm really excited to try them out. I'm especially excited to try out the rose gold one. It just looks really pretty. I definitely want to create a look with that. I don't really wear black eyeliner anymore, but I might try and do like a full wing with it, or maybe do like a mod liner look or something like that. So yeah, we'll see. We'll try it out. But yeah, those are the two liquid eyeliners. All right, next up we have the eyeshadow palette. This one runs ones for $14.99, and it's supposed to be scented. Ooh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. It smells kind of like dried apricots to me. You guys say apricots or apricots? I say apricots. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Sorry about the glow. Oh, there we go. So that's what the palette looks like. That's what the packaging looks like. Really gorgeous, rose gold. And then there are all 12 eyeshadows in there. Really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them for you guys so you guys can see how they swatch. Okay, so there are the swatches. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am super freaking impressed. For drugstore, I mean, hello. The swatches came out perfect. Nothing was patchy, nothing was chalky, everything was very smooth and silky and velvety to swatch. Oh my gosh, I'm super duper excited to try this palette out on my eyes. I'm totally creating a look with it soon. Stay tuned to my Instagram. We are creating looks. We are making moves, but yeah, this palette is super freaking gorgeous. Oh my gosh, look at those shimmery shades too. I'm dead. I die. I love it. So pretty. Oh my gosh. I mean, you guys, these swatches though, I can't even. I'm so impressed. They're so pretty. Okay, and then last but not least, we have the blushes. So there are 4 different blushes. They run for $12.99 each. I'm gonna go ahead and show them all to you guys. Okay, so this one right here is Just Curious. It's a peachy tone. It does have a little bit of shimmer to it. All of the blushes have shimmer in them, FYI, so. Oh my gosh, yes. Literally smells just as magical as the eyeshadow palette, so. Oh, you guys, I like want to eat it. Okay, this shade right here is called Fantastical. It's a really deeper peach shade with a little bit of shimmer to it. This one is called Bashful. This one I feel like is more of a highlighter shade as opposed to a blush. I mean, you could use it as a blush because it does have some color and pigmentation to it, and it looks very, very similar to this one, but if you put them side by side, you can tell this one's way more shimmery and this one has way more color to it. And then last but not least, for the blushes, we have Charming. This one is super gorgeous. I think it would be really good for fall. It just reminds me of a fall blush shade. So yeah, that one is Charming, and that one does have some shimmer to it, just in case you were wondering. So I went ahead and swatched Just Curious, just so we can see how these swatch. You can tell the shimmers aren't glitter. It's really fine shimmer, great for a nice flushed highlight to the cheeks. Really pretty. All right, so that's going to be it for the entire collection. Let me know which products you guys liked and which ones you guys are planning on trying out. I personally really, really love the eyeshadow palette and the lipsticks and the blushes, so I'm definitely going to be trying some of those out pretty soon. Stay tuned to my Instagram if you guys want to see makeup looks and stuff like that. So yeah, I'll post them on Instagram. I might do a tutorial here. If you guys want one, let me know in the comments below. I'll go ahead and do one for you guys. Thumbs up the video if you liked it, and then subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, hey girl, hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you're already subscribed or you're just subscribing, there's a little bell next to the subscribe button, and if you click that, that's going to keep you updated on all my new videos, anything new that I have coming soon. It'll keep you guys updated on all those videos so you guys don't miss a thing. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I hope to see you in my next video.